Now we'll continue with the second problem. Second problem is you have to find integration of cos 3x. So it is on the same property as the previous problem. D by dx of sin x will be cos x. So integration of cos x equals sin x plus c. So integration of cos of 3x will be, let us just replace x with respect to x with 3x. So we'll have sin of 3x. It is integration, so we'll have to divide by 1 by 3 plus c. So integration of cos 3x is, or antiderivative of cos 3x is 1 by 3 of sin 3x plus c. Also, that is with respect to the second problem. The third problem is you have to find the integration of e power 2x. So d by dx of e power x equals e power x. D by dx of e power 2x will be, here when you are differentiating, the quotient of x should be multiplied 2 into e power 2x. This e power 2x should be written as it is. When it comes to integration of e power 2x, it will be e power 2x divided by 2 plus c. So integration of e power 2x equals half of e power 2x plus c. So whether you do differentiation or integration, the function remains the same. Next problem we have, you have to find integration of ax plus b the whole square. So for this, what you have to do, how you have to proceed is, you can either expand this or you can also proceed in a simple manner, as you have the function d by dx of x power n is nx power n minus 1. So integration of x power n will be x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So d by dx of x power 5 will be 5x to the power of 5 minus 1, which is 5x to the power of 4, based on the property where n is 5. Next, integration of x power 5 will be x power 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 plus c, which is x power 6 divided by 6 plus c. So now when we use this property, assume this whole term as x. Integration of x square will be, when n place you are putting 2, it will be ax plus b whole power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So you have ax plus b whole power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So that will be ax plus b whole power 3. This is, I'll take it as 1 by 3, and this is 2 plus 1 is 3. Now very important is, when you go for d by dx of ax plus b the whole cube, we have, this is 3 into a into ax plus b, however whole square. I'll tell you how we got this. First, what we'll be doing is, this one is, assume this as x cube. D by dx of x cube will be 3x square. 3 into x is ax plus b whole square, and the quotient of x, this is a constant. Differentiation of b is 0. Differentiation of ax will be a, so we'll multiply by a. Now when it comes to the same way with respect to integration, we'll be using this formula. Integration of this will be ax plus b whole power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, and of course here the quotient of x is important. Here we'll not consider the constant, so we'll only consider the quotient of x, which is a. Will be dividing, will be multiplying that with the denominator of a. So 1 by 3a of ax plus b plus c, that is the integration of required integration. Okay friends, next we have fifth question, that is, you have to find integration of sine of 2x minus 4 e power 3x. So this one we have d by dx of sin x equals cos x. So d by dx of cos x equals minus sin x. So here integration of sine of 2x minus 4 e power 3x will be, this is equal to integration of sine of 2x minus 4 integration of e power 3x. So integration of, now we have integration of sin x equals minus cos x. So this will be minus cos 2x whole divided, this will be 1 by 2 quotient of x. You have to divide when you are integrating, and integration of sine will be minus cos. So minus cos, here 2x is there, so 2x, the quotient of x will be dividing by 2 minus 4 into, this one will be e power 3x itself. Integration of e power 3x is e power 3x. The quotient of x should be divided. So minus 4 by 3 plus c. So the answer is minus half of cos 2x minus half of cos 2x minus 4 by 3 e power 3x plus c. So the answer is minus half of cos 2x minus 4 by 3 e power 3x plus c. That is with respect to the integration part. So next we have next question, integration of 4 e power 3x plus 1 dx. So we have for this, yeah, 4x 3x. One more thing students, if you get confused with any of the problems, say for example this one, fourth question, I'll try to explain that once again. Okay, so here this one, it is very simple. So we'll just split integration of 4 e power 3x plus integration of 1 dx and dx. So this will be 4, you will take it as constant, 4 integration of e power 3x dx plus integration of 1 dx. So this will be 4 e power 3x divided by 3 plus this one will be x power 1 can be written as x power 0. So integration of x power 0 is x power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1 plus c. So x power 1 by 1. So x plus c. So 4 by 3 e power 3x plus x plus c. Now the fourth question, one more easy way of doing that. Okay, it is better to, if you get confusion, it is better to expand it. Suppose you want to find integration of ax plus b the whole square. So what you'll do is you'll just write it as this. I can write integration of ax plus b whole square can be written as integration of a square x square plus b square plus 2axb. What I am doing here students, I am just expanding integration of, that is I am just writing using the formula a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a here it was ax and b here is b square. Yeah, now I'll get this. Now what I'll do is the fourth problem, I'll be writing it as, that is I'll just write it down for you once again, integration of a square x square plus b square plus 2axb dx. I can write this also as just rearranging the terms, a square x square plus 2axb plus b square dx. So this will be integration of a square x square dx plus integration of 2axb plus integration of b square dx. So this will be, a square is constant, so we'll take it out, a square into integration of x power n will be x power 2 plus 1. N is 2, 2 plus 1 is x power 3 by 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 2ab into integration of x power 1 is x power 1 plus 1 is x power 2 by, you have 2, 1 plus 1 is 2 plus b square into x power 0. I already taught you in the previous problem. So this will be x. Integration, this is into 1 I can write. So integration of 1 dx equals x. So plus c. So this upon simplification I get a square x cube by 3 plus 2 and 2 will get cancelled. AB x square plus b square x plus c, which is also similar to, if I want, I can write, this is the best way of writing the answer. This is also similar to 1 by 3a of ax plus b the whole cube. So how do I get this? If you write like this also will get full marks. So this will be 1 by 3a of, this is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A plus b. So here we have ax cube plus b cube plus 3axb into ax plus b. So that will be 1 by 3a of a cube x cube plus b cube plus 3a square x square b plus 3ax b square. When I just simplify, I'll have this one will be a cube x cube divided by 3a plus b cube by 3a plus 3a square x square b by 3a plus 3a x b square by 3a. That will be, I'll have a square x cube by 3 plus this will be b cube by 3a plus 3 and 3 will cancel, a will get cancelled, a x square b plus 3 cancel, a cancel, x b square. So this will be x b square, ax square b, and this one will be, if I take the LCM with this, I'll have 3a and this will be 3a. So a cube x cube plus, and this will be b cube. So a cube x square. So a square b cube. So a cube x cube plus b cube by 3. So this is also the answer, 1 by 3 a and 1 by 3 a. Okay students, so this one is equal to a square x cube by 3. So here the constant of, here we have plus c, so it will be assumed in this value, a square x cube by 3, a square x cube by 3, and b cube, here we have b cube by 3a. Actually this b cube by 3a will be considered in the constant. So what we do students, so this expansion is also correct, and when we do this also, here this will be, here this term was the constant. So here a square x cube by 3 both are matching. So this constant of proportion was not involved here because I expanded here. Here that constant of integration is, it does not have x term, so it is treated as c. Is that clear students? So both the way we can proceed. So no need to take LCM here. That's how the answers are right. This is also correct answer. This is also a right answer. Is that clear students? Okay. Next, we'll be continuing with the next problem. That is, we were doing, yes students, 7th question. We were in the 7th question students. Yeah, 7th question. Let me read it for you. The question is integration of x square. It's always better students to simplify the given question, then only to proceed, than rather directly jumping into the question. So you have to find this. This one will be integration of x square into 1 minus 1 by x square into dx. So just multiply, use the distributive property. X square into 1 is x square minus x square into 1 by x square into dx. So this will be integration of x square minus integration of 1 dx. So this will be, we are using integration of x power n equals x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So integration of x power 2 will be x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So this will be x cube by 3 plus c. So I'll write x cube by 3 minus integration of 1 is x plus c. So x cube by 3 minus x plus c. Next we have 8th question. Integration of ax square plus bx plus c dx. So this one we'll write it as integration of a x square dx plus integration of bx dx plus integration of c dx. So this will be a is a constant, we'll take it out, x cube by 3 because integration of x power n will be x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So n is 2. So plus b into x power 1, n is 1 here, using the same formula, x power 2 by 2 plus c into integration of 1 will be x plus c. So ax cube by 3 plus bx square by 2 plus cx plus c. Next we have 9th question. Integration of 2x square plus e power x dx will be integration of 2x square dx plus integration of e power x dx. So you will take 2 common, integration of x square will be x cube by 3 plus e power x plus c. 2 by 3 x cube plus e power x plus c. Is that clear, students? Next we'll be going with the 10th problem. 10th problem, integration of root x minus 1 by root x the whole square dx. So you can use a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So you'll have integration of this one will be a is root x, b is 1 by root x. So a square will be root x whole square plus b square is 1 by root x whole square minus 2 into a is root x into 1 by root x. So dx, that will be integration of root and 2 will get cancelled, x plus this will be 1 by integration root x whole square is x, root x will get a minus 2 dx. This is just the simplification, students. So you can either write separately or you can write within this, no problem. So integration of x dx plus integration of dx by x minus 2 integration of dx. So this will be in x square by 2 plus this will in log x minus 2x plus c. How we got that, students? D by dx of log x is 1 by x. So integration of dx by x will be log x. So the answer for this is x square by 2 plus log of, you can take always substitute value, minus 2x plus c. Then we have 11th question, integration of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 divided by x square dx. So that will be, you just have to split. This is integration of x cube by x square plus 5x square by x square minus 4 by x square dx. So this will be integration of, here x power m by x power n will be x power m minus n. M is 3 in the first case, n is 2. So this will be x power 3 minus 2 plus x square cancel plus 5 integration of 5 minus 4 integration of dx by x square. So this will be integration of x power 1 plus integration of 5 is 5 into x, so integration of 1 actually, minus 4. This one is integration of dx by x square. So I can write this as integration of x power minus 2 dx. So that will be integration of x power 1 is x square by 2 plus 5 integration of x power 1 is x square by 2 minus 4 into x power, we are using n equals minus 2 in integration of x power n equals x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 is x to the power of minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. Is that clear, students? So final answer will be x square by 2 plus 5x square by 2 minus 4x power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c becomes x square by 2 plus 5x square by 2 minus into minus is plus 4 x power minus 1 is by x plus c. So you can, denominators are same, you can add 5x square plus x square is 6x square plus 4 by x plus c. You can write this as 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 x square plus 4 by x plus c. That is the required answer. X, you can also keep it as x square, so you can also simplify like that, but it is easy if you write 3x square plus 4 by x plus c. 3x square plus 4 by x plus c. Okay, is that clear, students? So x square, yes students, okay, this one will be, sorry, this one was x, this is actually, yeah, yes, here students, I made a slight mistake here. This one is integration of 5 into, I had already taken the integration, so this will be only 5x, so it's not x square, so it will be 5. I actually did the double integration, so this will be 5x, so this one will be x square by 2 plus 5x plus 4 by x plus c. X square by 2 plus 5x plus 4 by x plus c. Okay, next, so 12th question. So integration of x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by root x dx. So this I can write this as integration of x power 3 by x power 1 by 2, because root x equal to x power 1 by 2 plus 3x by x power 1 by 2 plus 4 by x power 1 by 2 into dx. So this will be integration of x power 3 minus 1 by 2 plus integration of, I am just taking the integrals inside, 3 x to the power of 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 4x to the power of minus 1 by 2 dx. So that will be integration of x power, this is 3 to the 6 minus 1, 5 by 2, 3 minus 1 by 2 is 3 into 2, this is LCM is 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, minus 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 6 minus 1 is 5 by 2. So x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 3 integration of x to the power of, this I can write as 2 by 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 plus 4 integration of x power minus 1 by 2 dx. So this will be, I am using n equals 5 by 2 in integration of x power n formula, students. So this will be 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 x to the power of half plus 1, which is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 4 x to the power of, this one will be minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus c. So of course that for the answer for that will be here, the answer for that will be x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2 plus 1 is here, 5 by 2 plus 1, I will write it as 5 by 2 plus 2 by 2, 1 can write as 2 by 2, so 5 plus 2 is 7 by 2, powers you can just add. So this will be x to the power of 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 plus 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 4 x to the power of minus half plus 1 is half by half plus c. I'll write this as 7 by 2, if I take in numerator, this get reciprocal, 2 by 7 x to the power of 7 by 2 plus 3 into this becomes 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 4 into 2 x to the power of 1 by 2 plus c. So I can write this as 2 by 7 x to the power of 7 by 2, 3 and 3 will get cancelled, plus 2 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 4 to the 8 root x plus c. That is the required answer. You can also keep it as x power 1 by 2 also. Next, is that clear, students? Next, 13th problem, we have integration of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 dx. Here it is a binomial, you are dividing by binomial. For this you have to do the long division, students. First simplify x minus 1 and this will be x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. So x into x square will be x cube, minus 1 into x square is minus x square. Then this will be plus minus, and this will minus means plus, inverse sign, x cube minus x cube, we'll take this sign, minus x square plus x square cancel, x minus 1, so plus 1 into x is plus x, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, and this will be, so everything will cancel. So x square plus 1, integration of x square plus 1. See, the equation is so complicated. When you divide, you get the right answer. Quotient is x square plus 1, remainder is 0 dx. So this will be integration of x square dx plus integration of 1 dx. So the answer will be x cube by 3 plus x plus c. That is the answer. Next, for 14th question. 14th question is with respect to 1 minus x. 14th question, integration of 1 minus x into root x dx. So this I can write as integration of, again distributive property, root x into 1 is root x, minus x into root x is x into root x dx. I'll write this as integration of x power half minus x to the power of 1 into x to the power of 1 by 2 dx, because root x is x power 1 by 2 and x power 1 is x. So this will be integration of x power 1 by 2 dx minus integration of, this will be 1 plus half x power m into x power n is x power m plus n. So 1 plus half is 2 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 dx. So this will be x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So this will be x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, and this is 3 by 2, and when I take it up it will be 2 by 3 minus, this is x to the power of 5 by 2, this also be 5 by 2, and when I take up 2 by 5 plus c. So 2 by 3 x into x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 x to the power of 5 by 2 plus c. Next we have the 15th question with respect to the exercise 7.1. Here students, we are having total number of questions, as you know, total is 21. So we are now in 15th question. So 15th question goes something like this. It is integration of root x into 3x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. So this will be again distributive property. So root x into 3 into x square will be x power 2 plus x power half x power m into x power n, as the previous one, x power, where we had used x power m plus n. So this will be 3 x to the power of 2 plus half will be, it will be 5 by 2 plus 2 x to the power of 1 plus half will be 3 by 2 plus 3 root x into dx. This is just simplification, students. 3 x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 into x to the power of half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus c. So this will be 3 into 5 by 2, 2 plus 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So 5 plus 2 is 7 by 2. So into, I told you, reciprocal 2 by 7 x to the power of, this will be 7 by 2 plus this will be 5 by 2. When I take it up, it will be 2 by 5. 2 into, this will be, yeah, 5 by 2. This will be 5 by 2. When I take it up, it will be 2 by 5 x to the power of, this will be 5 by 2 plus this will be 3 x, this will be 3 by 2. So into 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. So we have the answer as this one as 3 into, when I go for simplifying that, students, what do I get? When I go for simplifying that, when I go for students. Yes, students. So then go for simplifying that. Students, what do I get? This will be x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1 will be x to the power of 7 by 2, and this will be of course x to the power of, sorry, yeah, the previous one was, sorry for that, x3 into 2 was 6 by 7, x to the power of 7 by 2 plus 2 into 2 is 4 by 5, x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 3 cancels, so 2 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. So 6 by 7 x to the power of 7 by 2 plus 4 by 5 x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 2 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Next we have 16th problem. Integration of 2x minus 3 cos x plus e power x dx. So integration of 2x dx minus integration of 3 cos x plus integration of e power x dx. So before we proceed into this, let me give the clarity for this. D by dx of sin x equals cos x, d by dx of, just recapitulation, cos x equals minus sin x, d by dx of tan x equals secant square x, and d by dx of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x, and d by dx of secant x is secant x tan x, excuse me, d by dx of cot x is minus cosecant square x, and here if it is c in the differentiation, so I already told you, you will have a minus on the right hand side. Similarly, integration of, we have sin x will be minus cos x, and integration of cos x will be sin x, and it goes like that. When and where it's required, I'll just make a note for you people. So now we'll come to this problem, integration of 2. So again, d by dx of x power n, this is just list of formula, x power n minus 1, and integration of x power n will be x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So again, and integration of e power 5x equals e power 5x by 5, d by dx of e power 5x will be 5 e power 5x. To integration of x power 1 will be, use this formula, 1 plus 1 is x power 2 by 2 minus 3 integration of cos is sin 3 sin x plus integration of e power x is e power x. So 2 will get cancelled, x square minus 3 sin x plus e power x plus c. That is the required answer for that. Then next we have 17th question. We have integration of 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root x dx. So this will be integration of 2x square minus 3 integration of sin x, constant can be taken out, plus 5 integration of root x dx. So this will be integration of x power n will be, we are using 2 into x power 2 plus 1, 3 by 3 minus 3 into integration of sin x. Remember students, just remember this formula, whatever I said you, integration of sin x will be minus cos x. So we'll be directly writing here minus cos x plus, and this one will be 5 x to the power of half. So half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus c. So this will be 2 by 3 x cube minus into minus is plus 3 cos x plus this one will be 2 by 2. So this will be 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So this will be 2 by 3, 5 into 2 by 3 x to the power of, this will be 3 by 2 plus c. So this is 2 by 3 x cube plus 3 cos x plus 10 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. That is the required answer for that problem. Next we have 18th one, integration of secant x into secant x plus tan x dx. So this one I'll just multiply using distributive property, integration of secant x into secant x plus integration of secant x tan x. So this will be integration of secant square x plus integration of secant x tan x. Just now students I told you integration of d by dx of secant tan x is secant square x. So integration of secant square x will be tan x because differential integration are inverse functions. So this will be tan x, and similarly integration of d by dx of secant x, I'll write it for you. D by dx of tan x is secant square x. So integration of secant square x is tan x plus c, and here d by dx of secant x is secant x tan x. So integration of secant x tan x will be secant x plus c. So this will be secant x plus c, tan x plus secant x plus c. And 19th problem we have integration of secant square x by cosecant square x dx. Listen students, the question looks complicated, but just knowing the property and simplifying it's very simple. So I can write this as tan x equals sin x by cos x, and 1 by cos x equals secant x, 1 by sin x equals cosecant x, and cot x will be cos x by sin x is also equal to 1 by tan x. So we have this one as integration of, this is secant square x, so I'll write it as 1 by cos square x dx divided by, this is cosecant square x, I'll write it as 1 by sin square x dx. So this will be integration of 1 by cos square x into, this will be reciprocal sin square x dx. So integration of sin square x by cos square x is tan square x dx. Now here you are supposed to find integration of tan square x, students. So this I'll continue. So here integration of tan square x dx, one more trigonometric functions which you have studied in the 11th standard. So the fundamentals are very important, students. Sin square x plus cos square x equals 1. So 1 plus tan square x equals secant square x, and 1 plus cot square x equals cosecant square x. So here I can write this as tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1. So integration of secant square x minus 1. So why do I do that? I'll tell you. Integration of secant square x minus integration of 1 dx, because directly we don't have the simplification of integration of tan square x. You can use integration by parts in the future, but you'll get the same answer. So you are using this property, trigonometric identity. So integration of secant square x, just now we found it as d by dx of tan x is secant square x. So integration of secant square x is tan x minus integration of 1 is minus x plus c. So that is the answer. Then the 20th question, integration of 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx. So this I can write it as integration of 2 minus 3 sin x by this one as cos square x. I can write this as integration of 2 by cos square x minus integration of 3 sin x by cos square x dx and dx. So this will be 2 integration of 1 by cos square x is secant square x dx minus 3. If you start practicing, students, then it will be easy for you then and there what sort of formulas you have to use. This will be sin, this cos square x, I'll split it as cos x into cos x. So sin x by cos x will be, this is into cos x into again 1 by cos x, because cos x into cos x is cos square x dx. So sin x by cos x will be tan x. That's the reason. 2 integration of secant square x is tan x minus 3 integration of this will be tan x into 1 by cos x is secant x. So integration of secant x tan x is secant x. So 2 tan x minus 3 secant x plus c. 2 tan x minus 3 secant x plus c. And last two problems will be from exercise 7.122. We have if d by dx of f of x equals 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4, so such that f of 2 equal to 0. What is f of x? You have to find. Very simple, students. So what you have to find? Basically, you have to integrate 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4. Then only you will get the required function. Then you have to put a final answer after integrating at the value of x. You have to equate to 0. You have to put at the place of x after you integrate which function you'll get equal to 0. That is the required answer. So this will be directly, no need to check all the options. So 4 into integration of x cube will be 4x power 4 by 4 minus 3. This is x to the power of minus 4. So this is 3 into x to the power of minus 4. So x to the power of minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1. So this will be 4 cancel. X power 4 minus, this will be minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So minus 3 and this will be cancelled, plus x to the power of minus 3 plus c. So x power 4, the required answer what we get is x power 4 plus x to the power of this will be minus x to the power of minus 3. So required function is integration of 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4. Of course this has to be dx. So answer we get is x power 4 plus x power minus 3 plus c. So from that what we will do is we have come with the function f of x. So but what we have to do, we have to put f of x at the place of x equal to 2. We have to equate that to 0. So what we do is, so let me write that function for you again. F of x equals, it was x power 4 plus 1 by x cube plus c. So it is given as f of 2 equal to 0. So what we do, we'll just write it as, first find f of 2. F of 2 you will get when you substitute in the given function. At the place of x you have to put 2 power 4 plus 1 by 2 power 3 plus c. You have to equate that to 0. So this will be 2 power 4. 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times you will multiply 2. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 16 plus 1 by 2. 2 into 2 is 4 to the 8 plus c equals 0. So this one will be, I'll take LCM. 1 into 8 is 8. 8 into 16 into 8 plus 1 into 1 plus c equal to 0. So this will be 48 4. So 12 plus 1 by 8 plus c equal to 0. 129 by 8 plus c equal to 0. So c equals minus 129 by 8. C equals minus 129 by 8 is the answer. So when you substitute back in the given equation, this equation f of x equals x power 4 plus 1 by x cube minus 129 by 8 is the required function according to the situation. So we'll go with which option will have the right answer as which one, students? The right answer is option A. It matches. Similarly on the same note, so that is with respect to, yeah, oh, that was actually the question what I solved was question number 22. I think I missed question number 21. The question number 21 is you are finding antiderivative of, that is integration of root x plus 1 by root x. So that will be integration of root x plus integration of 1 by root x. So integration of x power 1 by 2 plus integration of x power, this is 1 by 2, when you take up minus 1 by 2. So this will be x to the power of half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus x to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half. plus 1 plus c. So that will be x to the power of 2 plus, this will be 2 by 2, which is 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 by, this will be into 2 by 3. This will be also denominator 3 by 2. When I take up, it will be 2 by 3 plus this is x to the power of minus half plus 1 is half, x to the power of half, and this will be by half plus c. This will be actually 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 2 root x plus c. So the answer is 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 2 root x plus c. So when we check, the option which matches is option C. So what I was telling students, this LCM, if it's not clear, 1 by 2 plus 1, what I was referring was, I'll take this as denominator as 1. So this one will be, I can write, instead of directly taking LCM and making it more complicated, I'm writing it as 1 by 2. Suppose I'm explaining in this part, 1 by 2 plus, I'll write this as 1. So I can write it as 2 by 2 because the denominator is same. Instead of, I'm actually taking the LCM, but it's an easy way. So this is the trick. So 1 plus 2 denominator is the same, just add the numerator. 1 plus 2 is 3 by 2. That's how I got this 3 by 2. That's how the remaining problems are solved. Students, if you have any doubt, do always comment. Don't forget to share, and also you like, subscribe, and keep loving, keep liking, keep subscribing, keep commenting, and keep sharing, because knowledge is very, very important. That's it from Math Guru. Here, signing off. I'll be back with the next exercise in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, students.